What is the difference between capital expenditure and the revenue expenditure? We can think in these lines to decide an expenditure as a capital or a revenue. The first point is purpose. The purpose of incurring capital expenditure is to acquire an asset, whereas the purpose of incurring a revenue expenditure is basically to run a business or to maintain the asset. Second point, capacity. A capital expenditure increases the capacity of an existing business or an asset, whereas revenue expenditure actually helps us to increase the profits or maintain the existing capacity. Period. Capital expenditure benefits extends more than a year, whereas the benefits of the revenue expenditure is normally exhausted within a year. Fourth point, which account is debited? In case of capital expenditure, an asset account is debited, whereas in case of revenue expenditure, an expense account will be debited. Point number 5, nature of account. Capital expenditure an asset account, revenue expenditure is an expense account. Depiction means presentation. It's normally shown in the balance sheet, whereas revenue expenditures are shown in the trading or profit and loss account. Examples for capital expenditure: cost of plant and machinery, cost of land and building, cost of furniture, etc. Revenue expenditure: depreciation, rent, repairs, and insurance. So in examination, how they're going to test us, because this is one question we can expect from capital and revenue expenditure in the true or false section. So overall expenses of second-hand machinery purchased or revenue expenditure. So like this, they can give us a statement. See, please understand, even though it's a second-hand machinery, first time when you buy that second-hand machinery, whatever the cost incurred to put into the use should be considered as a capital expenditure. Money spent to reduce working expense is a revenue expenditure. If you are incurring the same level of revenue expenditure, then it's a revenue expenditure. But however, here they're trying to reduce it. So in such a cases, it should be considered as a long-term benefits and capital expenditure.